Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you a law of record what happened plugged in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option. Here the things is available. Enter the settings option, see, and go to the gaming, and we have got the capture, save location, recording preference. So click here, say record what happens. So that has when something cool happened in your game. Press Windows logo key plus Alt plus G to capture the moment. So the thing has been on. Click here. I will off this here, and again I will off this here. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.